No, sorry, I forgot. This is the loft area where exercise equipment is for John. And this is the laundry room up here on the second floor. Washer and dryer, cabinets. And this is the bathroom upstairs, the third bathroom we have. Shower curtain. The new medicine chest that Pops put in. It's got shelves and stuff in it. Very nice. Wood, which we needed. There it is. Okay, that's it. Bye.